Using antonyms for academic excellence. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to delve into the world of antonyms and how we can use them to significantly improve our writing skills, especially in an academic context. Antonyms, as you know, are words that have opposite meanings. By effectively using them, we can add depth, variety, and precision to our writings. Antonyms are words that have contrasting or opposing meanings. For example, the word dark is an antonym for light. Similarly, happy is an antonym for sad. The beauty of antonyms lies in their power to help us express a spectrum of ideas and emotions in our writings. Antonyms are crucial in academic writing as they enhance the richness of language. They help add contrast, enable us to make clear distinctions, and emphasize important points. Plus, they allow us to avoid repetition, which makes our writing more engaging and readable. Using antonyms effectively is a mark of advanced vocabulary skills. Understanding the concept of antonyms is easy, but how to incorporate them into your writing effectively may seem tricky. Let's break it down. 1. Using antonyms for contrast. You can use antonyms to highlight contrasts or differences. For example, unlike the arid desert, the rainforest was teeming with life. 2. Using antonyms to avoid repetition. Repeating the same words can make your writing boring. Antonyms can help you avoid this. Instead of saying, "She was happy," "She was not sad," you could say, "She was happy, not sorrowful." 3. Using antonyms for precision. Using the right antonym can help you convey your message more precisely. For instance, instead of saying, "It's not good," saying, "It's bad," can have a stronger impact. A practical way to get comfortable with antonyms is to practice. Start by identifying words in your essays or papers, and find their antonyms. Then, try rewriting sentences using those antonyms. For example, "The day was hot and sunny" could become, "The day was not cold or cloudy." So, that's all for today, folks. Remember, using antonyms in your writing can truly elevate your language skills and make your writing more engaging and precise. Start practicing today and see how much difference it makes. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving, and remember, the power of language is in your hands.